there, little chefs! Today we're going on a yummy adventure in the kitchen. We're going to make a super-duper easy and delicious fruit salad. It's like a party in your mouth with all your favorite fruits joining the fun. The best part, you can make it yourself. Cooking is like magic. You mix and chop and voila, you create something yummy. It's also a great way to learn about different foods and where they come from. Plus, when you cook at home, you know exactly what's going into your food, healthy and delicious ingredients. Are you ready to become a fruit salad superstar? Let's gather our ingredients and get started.
Every great chef knows that the secret to a fantastic dish is using the freshest, most colourful ingredients. The more vibrant and varied your ingredients, the more delightful your dish will be, both in taste and appearance. For our fruit salad extravaganza, we're going on a scavenger hunt in the kitchen. Let's explore every nook and cranny to find the best fruits we can use. Can you find these yummy treasures? Each fruit brings its own unique flavour and texture to our salad. Strawberries, these little red gems are bursting with juicy sweetness. They add a beautiful red colour and a burst of flavour that everyone loves. Blueberries, tiny blue bursts of flavour that are like little vitamin bombs. They're not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. Grapes, green, red or purple, these little pops of sweetness are always a good idea. They add a nice crunch and a burst of juiciness. Oranges, a splash of sunshine in every slice. Oranges add a tangy twist. Their bright colour and zesty flavour make the salad more exciting. Bananas, creamy and sweet. Bananas add a lovely texture to our fruit salad. They blend well with other fruits and make the salad more filling. Remember, you can use any fruits you like. Get creative and see what yummy combinations you can create. The more variety, the more interesting your salad will be. Now that we have our fruit treasures, let's grab our tools. A well-prepared kitchen makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. We'll need a chopping board, a butter knife, a big bowl, and helping hands from a grown-up. Safety first, so make sure an adult is there to assist with the cutting and slicing.
All right, little chefs, it's time to put on our chef hats and get chopping. Today we're going to make a delicious and colourful fruit salad that will brighten up any meal. Remember, safety first. Always ask a grown-up to help you with the knife. It's important to be careful when handling sharp objects. We want to make sure our fingers are safe while we create our masterpiece. Keeping our fingers tucked in will help us stay safe. First, wash all the fruits with water. Clean fruits are the best fruits, so make sure to rinse them thoroughly. Then, with the help of a grown-up, cut the strawberries, grapes, bananas and oranges into bite-sized pieces. Remember to take your time and be careful. We want to make sure every spoonful is a burst of different flavors. Each fruit adds its own unique taste and texture. Next, gently toss all the chopped fruits into a big bowl. Make sure to mix them well so every bite is perfect. Now comes the fun part, mixing. This is where all the magic happens. Use a big spoon to gently combine all the fruits. Be gentle so the fruits don't get squished. Look at that colourful mix. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a rainbow in a bowl. You've created a rainbow of flavours in a bowl. Enjoy your delicious and healthy creation.
Section 4, Kitchen Safety, the golden rules for tiny chefs. Let's dive into the essential tips that every young chef should know to stay safe while having fun in the kitchen. Chef Sam, being a chef is super cool, but safety always comes first in the kitchen. It's important to be aware of your surroundings and use the right tools to keep yourself safe. Always remember these golden rules. Sharp objects are a no-no. Knives are for grown-ups. If you need to use a knife, always ask a grown-up for help. Never try to cut anything on your own, as it can be very dangerous. Chef Sam, washy clean. Always wash your hands with soap and water before touching food. Germs are sneaky, and we want to keep our food clean and yummy. Make sure to scrub for at least 20 seconds to get rid of all the germs. Hot stuff. Alert. Be careful around the stove and oven. They can get super hot. Always ask a grown-up for help when handling hot things. Never touch pots or pans without checking if they are cool enough to handle. Chef Sam. Remember, a safe kitchen is a happy kitchen. So be careful, follow the rules and have fun. By following these golden rules, you can enjoy cooking and create delicious dishes safely.
Section 5, your masterpiece. A delightful fruit salad. Chef Sam. Congratulations, little chefs. You've created a beautiful and delicious fruit salad all by yourself. Look at those vibrant colors and smell those yummy scents. You can be proud of your culinary creation. Take a big bite and savor the explosion of flavors in your mouth. Chef Sam. The sweetness of the strawberries, the tanginess of the oranges, the juicy pop of the grapes. It's a party for your taste buds. You can enjoy your fruit salad as a healthy snack, a refreshing dessert, or even for breakfast. Chef Sam. Share it with your family and friends and let them be amazed by your culinary skills. Section 6. Cooking, the gift that keeps on giving. Chef Sam. Cooking is a wonderful adventure, and the best part is that you can always experiment and try new things. You can add different fruits to your salad, like kiwi, mango, or even pineapple. The possibilities are endless. Remember, cooking is not just about following recipes. It's about using your imagination and creating something delicious and uniquely you, Chef Sam. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen. Now go out there, little chefs, and create your own culinary masterpieces. Bon appetit!